After my research, job well done, successful. All right. So what happened is now that I was showing which I could have actually charged, but I just give this I just give back to my community because I where I usually just give and give, right? So I was in a short video I was showing then for them I could actually use this video home. All right. I will link on about. All right, guys. So this is how it happen now. All right. This is how it happen. Make sure you have the garlic powder. Make sure you have what vinegar. You need that kind of vinegar, and this is the pure white vinegar. All right, and make sure you have what plantain. This plantain actually set for I think 2 weeks after the tree. So if you cut it today, make sure you wait 2 weeks after the tree. So make sure you have a plantain, garlic powder, and vinegar. All right, guys. I just want to make everybody know I have a tablet here, right? A dead tablet. Can't answer for anything. This tablet can't answer for nothing. All right. This tablet can't answer for nothing. Dead. With my experiment, I make sure this tablet and at the end of this video. Watch this. Now make sure you have a charger with you, right? This is the charger. This is the charger. So I will plug in this charger in the tablet now. All right. Okay, now that's over. Now you get your green, you get a right planting, all right, and you actually plug in. It sounds crazy, right? It sounds crazy, but look. When you don't put in the when you don't put in your end of your charger, neck or your charger, back or whatever you call it, inside of the planting, you then want to get the
2,000 years later.
Garlic powder. You then want to get the garlic powder, right? And then people tend to actually get confused. When you see it, you put it on top. All right, just leave it. You don't need that. Just leave it. Right? When you don't use leave it, then you actually rub it the top of the charger, right? After you don't rub it the top of the charger, you want to make sure you get this now. That this play the big role. This right here will change lives. Right here. So what you want to do, now take one cover of this and put it pan the banana. Whatever. Now look at the tablet, right? Watch this. Watch this magic. Watch where everybody may wait for a dangriga. This is what everybody may can't do in a so long. Scientists, so many scientists try it can't work, but me, I make a change in my country because of this I want for everybody else. I see my dream, so I have to work for my dream now. Because of this make everything change, alright? So that this piece I want. Please, my Belizeans, watch what happen now. As you all can see, the tablet never gonna work none at all, alright? Watch when I on this tablet. You see it? The tablet no work none at all.
Pulling out the coupe for the lawn, 12 apart, 12 pops, 1. Busting out the bellies of the boys. I can hear the league with the boys.